Welcome back to How To Knots, and today I'm going to show you how to tie the uni knot. To tie my uni knot, I'm first going to come at the eyelet from the top, just like this. Then I'm going to take about a hand's length of lead here. With my thumb and my forefinger, I'm going to pull the rope tight and hold here, just at the eye of the hook. Then about an inch down, I'm going to take my thumb and my forefinger, make another bite, and then take that bite and hold it with the main line, just like this. Now all I'm left to do is take this lead end here and make 5 wraps around this main line. While I'm still holding the top here, I'm going to take that line and go over, and then in doing that it creates a loop here, and I'm just going to come back through that loop, just like this. And that would be 1 repetition, so I'm going to do that about 5 times. Alright, now that I've pulled it through about 5 times, I'm actually going to take that tag end and I'm going to start to pull on it. What this is going to do is to start to tighten up the knot, as you can see. But one thing you're going to notice, it's going to start to tighten up my line. So what I'm going to do is pause for a second, let go of that lead end, and take my main line here and start to pull on my main line. As I pull on my main line, the knot's going to start to slide down to the eye. And then I'm going to tighten, and it's actually going to tighten itself on the eye for me. Now all I have to do is snip this tag end. And there you have it. That is the uni knot.